Okay, traders. Yes, welcome to the weekend analysis. It is another weekend, and it's the time at least to have the overview of the market for the coming week. So this will be projection of the market from 19th of June to 23rd of June. So it is just a 5 days market move, and actually I'll be analyzing the market in 4 different time frames now, from the higher time frame to the lower time frame. So this is the top down analysis, and basically in lower time frame is where I will be providing the exact direction of the market, or a exact possible direction of the market. So quickly, remember we had a previous analysis. So now last weekend there was a projection, but there is some minor changes from what was projected, but we are still holding to the same direction based on what we are going to analyze today. So now, starting with the monthly time frame, quickly we can have some highlight, but nothing has changed. In monthly time frame, basically we still see the same thing, and as I said, we have this level that is mostly likely to be broken. So we will be having this level mostly likely to be broken. So price tried to penetrate this week, breaking below the level, but it has failed. So as long as we still have like 2 weeks to close a monthly candle, so yeah, we are not concluding that price has failed to break this level, no. So we still have some days, so it may come again down and close below this trend line. Then quickly moving to weekly time frame. Yeah, so in weekly time frame we have this level. Now this is the same level from the one I was presenting in monthly time frame. Basically you will see price tried to move below, but buyers came in and pushed it up. So at the same time, there is level here, there is a support level here. So price has been respecting for 3 weeks consecutively, and I mean 2 weeks, 3 weeks, then the 4th week now, which is this week. So price tried to break below the level, but it has not successfully closed below the level. So now what does this mean? Now this means that now at this level, there are buyers who are pushing price up, and this thing I said last week, that as we have this a sort of indecision, and then the next one is at least showing some bullish momentum. So what I was expecting is this weekly candle to have strong bullish momentum, but things went different, but nothing is going to change. So we're still looking up from this level until price is going to close below this this level. So that's very, very important. So when you look on those 3 candles, we're still looking up. And at the same time, you see the trend line is here. So price is still respecting the trend line. It is still above, has not full closed below. If this would have been closed down here, so I would be looking bearish. I would be looking for retest to this broken trend line, but currently we are still above the trend line. So that's very basic. So before moving to daily time frame, I can quickly highlight the news. So this is just a reminder for those possible news release, and it's all about the medium impact and the high impact. So next week we'll be having news on Tuesday up to Friday, but on Tuesday we have the medium impact, and on the rest of the days we have a mix of high impact and medium impact news. So basically you can trade outside news hours, or you can trade during news hours, but to protect your profits, you can just break even. That's very basic, so that's important. Then moving to daily time frame, I can have the highlight of those important things in this time frame. So in daily time frame, actually I can talk of the level. Actually we see price is respecting, this is seen, and everything is clear. But now there's another thing. We see this candle was like an indecision, then the next one which tried to break the level, built a very strong bullish momentum. So this and it has masked or covered the previous rejection. So this is the clear indicator that we have to look for possible continuation of rise in price from this level. So does it now, does price going to rise straight from here, or anything is going to happen? So in 4-hour time frame, we can have a clear possible startup move of the price for the coming week. So that's very basic. Remember the bullish momentum being created at this level. So quickly in a 4-hour time frame. Now in a 4-hour time frame, now we can have that clear look. And basically, remember, last weekend I was talking of the possible diagonal, and then the price is going to rise from that area, but the price moved different. So for those who are in Telegram, I provided the update. Now for those on Telegram, I provided the update. So yes, you can go and watch you can see that update. I updated the sort of triangle being formed here, and I marked there's a fourth wave, and I indicated a possible push to the downside. So yeah, that is what happened. But it has been hard to catch the move this week, so I didn't caught any trade. But basically, in the coming week, I'm looking forward to catch the trades now. Yeah, so that's very important. So now, how price is going to move next week? Now we are in a 4-hour time frame. So basically, you can see a bullish momentum up, created up, then the price is moving up, and then it's like pushing down. So now, this was the sort of 5-wave move to the downside. Now in the completion of the 5th wave, because this was the triangle of the 4th. So now, here we have this upper level. Okay, so mainly we have to look forward for a possible retest of this level. We have to look forward for a possible retest of this level. So mostly we can look price moving to around the level of 1935-34, around that level. So that's mostly possible price to move around 1935. So when the price is around 1935, around those levels, you can look for buy confirmations around those areas, but it may move quickly and then push up. So you can just have some buy limits around the level of 1935 or 34. Then from there, possibly price is going to push strongly to the upside. So that is the first possible market outlook. And alternatively, price may not move that deeper and then continue to the upside from this same region. So that is an alternative. Price may just move slightly down and then continue straight to the upside from this region. But the best opportunity will be the one when the price is moving at least deeper like this. So we'll be catching those lows. You see, when you catch the lows, it actually will be the best opportunity. So actually, we're looking for this structure that has already broken. Then we're looking for the retest to the level, then up. If not that, once you see prices moving now above the previous swing high. Now, when the price is straightforward from here, moving above 1960 something, you'll be just watching for the possible continuation to the upside. We'll no longer look for this dip. But the dip is just considered if price will continue falling from here. And it's not just that straight. There's something here possible. Price may slightly move up, not breaking the high, then to the downside, and then up again. So yeah, that's most likely possible to happen next week. You see a slight up move without breaking the high, then straight to the downside, then we'll be pushing up. So how far we are going to ride? Yeah, actually you can push it to those levels here, the level of the second wave here. So you can push it to around 20, 30, 20 something. So it may be deeper as 20, 30 something there. So we'll be riding like that. So, but it's not going to happen just next week up to those levels. No, we'll be riding for several weeks. So that's the idea. So thank you for your time and have a great weekend. Remember to like if you think this is useful, hit the thumb up button, and also you can share if you think this video is going to help someone else, and also you can put a comment if you have an addition to what I've said. If you have an alternative analysis, you can write in a comment section, because the idea here is just to share what you know is most likely to happen next week. But this doesn't mean that I'm providing the direction and exact thing. No, it's just what I think is going to happen. So thank you for your time and have a nice trading coming week now.